I can't figure out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So I'm in a different setup right now, and that is because I have my Alex drawer right here. You can't see it right now, but it's here, and today I'm going to be filming a vanity tour slash skincare collection slash makeup collection sort of a video. So you have been requesting this video since a long time, and I have finally organized this drawer and the skincare that's in my bathroom, and some of it is here as well. So I thought, why not shoot this video now and why delay it, and let's start with the video. Okay, so here is my Alex drawer, and as you can see I have like 1, 2, 3. I have 9 drawers right here. So we'll start off with the first drawer, and let me just open it for you guys. So yes, as you can see I've organized everything. So let's just start. So because it's the first drawer, I have kept all of my like daily essentials sort of in this drawer, and here are all the hoops and everything. Just a second. So yeah, here are all the hoops and everything that I usually use when I shoot, and these are just like basic golden hoops and just like normal hoops that I think I would need whenever I shoot. So I basically wear these. Then I have a whole bucket of scrunchies over here, and I do have a couple of them lying around in my room because I do love to use scrunchies and I think they're so cute, and I think almost all of them were sent to me by some small businesses, so I'm just so grateful for them for sending me all of these. And then I have this little heart thingy right here in which I keep my rings. So here are all the rings that I keep. Usually like my Testo rings and everything are in here. Most of the rings are from Testo because I absolutely adore their jewelry. Then in here I just have like my pins and rubber bands. Rubber bands are not really here because you know what happens to black rubber bands. And yeah, just like my basic regular stuff. Also, a lot of you were asking me about these 2 clips that I wore in my previous and these clips are from One Hair Stop, and I will link these clips down in the description box so you can get these. But that was my first drawer. Let's move on to the second drawer. So this is the second drawer. Now there's not really much to tell you guys anything here. You can literally see that this is my jewelry drawer, and this is where I've kept all my jewelry organized. I do have like a couple of empty boxes which I would really like to fill with more jewelry. This is the jewelry box. Let me just quickly show you some of the earrings and jewelry that I have. So I have like these silver ring here, some of the statement neck pieces here, and some of the more silver jewelry. And this was sent to me by again a small business, and I think it's so cute. It's handmade, and yeah, just like basic jewelry stuff. Then I have the Urbanic and Testo necklaces. No, actually that's the other one. This is actually like my necklaces pile. Actually what I'll do is I can actually make like a separate jewelry collection video because I think a lot of you might really be interested. Also I have like this whole box of Testo. I really love Testo, and yeah, so I think I'll just make like another video with jewelry stuff. This is the third drawer that I have. Let me zoom in for you. This is what I like to call my extra skincare drawer, or it has the skincare that I don't really need on daily basis, which is basically all of my masks and some of the eye creams and sleeping masks and stuff like that. Also I have like a hairband right here so that I can use it for applying all of these masks. Quickly, let's just go through this drawer. So I have like a couple of caffeine masks right here. This is the mocha coffee face mask, and this one is the, I think, cappuccino one. No, this is the coffee one, and this is the mocha one. Then we have a couple of plum face masks that they kindly sent me. So this is the plum illuminance. This one is the green tea one. This is literally one of my favorites. Like, if you haven't given this a try, you should definitely. I also have a Dot and Key face mask. This one is the Pollution Acne Defense Green Clay Face Mask. This one right here is my baby, and it's the Murad Hydration Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Now this one is an expensive tub, and I didn't buy it, to be honest, and this was just like gifted to me because I did the collaboration with Nykaa and they sent it to me, and I'm so grateful that they did. Again, another product that I acquired like that is this Pixie Detoxify Eye Mask, and this is one of the most aesthetic products that I've ever seen in my life. And let me show you guys. So this is the eye mask patches that is like a basically like 10-minute or like 15 to 20-minute eye patch masks. Then what? Then I also have this Argan and Rose Day Cream by Nimli. I do have a couple of Quench products now, which has recently launched, and I absolutely love their products. This one is the Moncherie Dirt Dissolving Cleansing Balm, and I've used this, and I'm telling you, if you have not used cleansing balms before, I think you should definitely give this one a try because it's the bomb. And the eye cream is just like so cool. This is the eye cream that they sent me. So it has like these steel, I don't know, stainless steel balls which like you can roll on your skin, and you basically just like press it and the product comes out, and then you can just like roll it under your eyes, and it feels so amazing. And I do have like a couple of sleeping masks. Some this one is the Jeju Volcanic Lava foaming scrub. Some of the Skinella products right here which I like. Not a great fan, but they're decent. Also have the Dermaco Niacinamide serum right here. Because I actually have like a lot of serums that I have to go through in the bathrooms. And these are my Lakme creams. Moving on to the next drawer. This is the fourth drawer, and here I have 3 sections, and this is basically all of my eye makeup. So I have like my white liners, kajal, eyeliner, and a little mini mirror right here, and then this blue eyeliner. Basically all of my like kajal and eyeliners are here, all of the like eye stuff. Also I have this eyelash glue. Then I have these lipsticks which I don't really use on day-to-day basis, and because all of my like favorite lipsticks are there on the shelf right beside my like full-length mirror, I'll just show you guys that as well. But this is my lipstick collection. I do really like these lipsticks. It's just that I can't really wear them daily basis because these are just not like my go-to colors. I do have my lip liners over here, so I do reach out for this drawer quite a lot, and yeah, that's that. And these are actually the lipsticks that I hardly ever wear because these are like a tangy color wala lipsticks, and like purples and dark pinks and like berry shades which I rarely ever wear, but they're here if I in case want to do like a makeup look or something. I have like these stickers that I can use for my eye looks. So as you can see, I have like quite a lot of them. So I should actually just like create makeup looks, but I get so lazy that I don't. Another 2 products that I'm literally so excited about are these Define eyeliners that I got. Now for those of you guys who don't know, Define is actually a beauty line, like this makeup line by Devashri Banerjee. She's an amazing YouTuber, makeup blogger. She's a makeup blogger, and she has launched her own brand, and I was just like so captivated, and I had to get my hands on these. So that's that. I also have my Mink Lash right here from PAC. The next drawer is actually an interesting one, so let me just like zoom in a little bit. Yes. Okay, so this is basically my base makeup drawer. So we have all of my foundations right here. I have K by Katrina, Maybelline. This is in the shade 128. This is in the shade 125Y medium. Then I have another Maybelline, but this is like a little dark for my skin tone, so I don't really use this a lot. Then I have LA Girl Pro Matte HD Definition Powder. Not powder, it's a foundation, and this one is in the shade medium beige. I also have this Fenty Beauty makeup stick which my sister gave to me, but this is again not my color. Let me just like show you guys. So you can see this is like such a dark color. Do you guys also have like these foundation patches after you apply your makeup and you just get like too lazy to remove these? I just like leave it on. I don't even care. This is another one of my favorite sections. This one is the concealer and mascara section. I also have my eyebrow pencil right here, but I have few concealers. This one is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, and this is in the shade 317, although this is quite a lot darker than my skin tone. I would suggest if you're my skin tone, you should go for the 314 one, but this one is 317. I do use it under my eyes. I mean, it works really well as the under eye concealer, but not like on the blemishes and everything because it's too dark for my skin tone. I also have this Makeup Revolution one, and this one is in the shade C10, but I would really suggest that you don't buy this concealer because it oxidizes like hell, you guys. Like it's crazy when it's like dry and it's crazy when it's wet. Like the color difference is like hella crazy, so just like don't buy it. Then for the mascaras, obviously I forgot to mention my Maybelline Fit Me. These are literally my ride or die. This one is in the shade medium and light. Then I have my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. Obviously I love this one. A few of my mascaras, wait a second, so two of my mascaras were not here, which I actually really use like on daily basis. This one is the one that I use daily whenever I shoot or something, because this one is washable mascara, and I don't really like to use waterproof mascaras when I don't go out, like when I'm not going out. But if you're looking for one mascara that is waterproof and you just want amazing length and volume, the only mascara that I would recommend for you guys is this Wet n Wild Max Volume Waterproof Hydrofuge Mascara. And trust me when I say this gives such an amazing length to your lashes. Just like take my word for it and try it and let me know if you like it. Okay, so this is a very recent addition to my makeup collection, and these are basically my BB creams that I absolutely love. So I have my Nykaa BB cream Skin Genius in the shade 02 Soft Beige. Then I have two of my Pond's BB creams. This one is not really my shade. Yeah, this one is in the shade medium. This one is in the shade original. Kiko Milano one as well. So if you've been looking for some BB creams and you want some like reviews and my thoughts on these BB creams that I bought, let me know in the comment section down below that you want a video specially dedicated to BB creams, and I will do that for you guys. The last portion that we have here is the powders. Now nothing crazy right here. I have my loose powder, and this is in the shade medium, light medium, and this is the K Beauty compact, and this is in the shade 130 medium, and this is the Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade 235 Pure Beige. So the next drawer has all of my blushes, bronzers, highlighters, some of my beauty blenders, and then a couple of my eyeshadow palettes. So here I have my big eyeshadow palettes that I use now. Okay, this one is the LA Gold Break Free palette, and I recently bought this and I haven't used it a single time, but this is what the palette looks like. I think it's so beautiful. Just your basic warm brown tones and such a pretty palette. Then I have my Makeup Revolution Tammy palette, and I also have my Roxy palette. This palette I have used so much, you guys. Like you can see, I've hit pan on 3 shades, and just like a palette which I've used since I've gotten into makeup, and this was literally I think my first palette that I ever really got. Here I have my small bit-sized palettes. So these are all the palettes that I have, and this one is actually by a makeup brand called Catrice, and this is the one that my Masi actually bought from Bangkok. So I don't think you can really get it here in India, but these are some of the newer palettes that I got. So these are the e.l.f. bit-sized palettes. Let me show you all of the variants that I have. So this one is cream and sugar, very neutral. This one is called Carnival Candy, and I think this one is called Rose Water. Yeah, this one is called Rose Water. Then I have the Nika K Birthday Cake palette. Such a beautiful palette. Haven't really used it, but I know that it is amazing. Then the last Chotu palette that I have is my favorite Nykaa Double Chocolate Chip palette, and such rich warm tone colors and very nice matte black right over here. Alright, so here I have all of my blushes and highlighters. I don't really have a lot of highlighters, but let's start with the blushes. So this one is the K-Play Strawberry Blush. This one is the Milani Berry Amore Blush. This one is actually my second buy, like my second purchase of the same product, and this one is the Nykaa Cheeky, I think, blush in the shade Brazilian Bombshell, I think. Yeah, Brazilian Bombshell, and this one is such a pretty blush. Then I have my K by Katrina blush, and this one is in the shade Pickled Pink. Lastly, I have the Sugar blush, mini blush in the shade Peach Peak. Then I have my basic Maybelline Chrome highlighter, and a recent buy, which is the MAC Soft and Gentle, and this I had to buy because I have heard so many good things about this highlighter and I am not regretting at all. I know it's really expensive, but it's such a beautiful highlighter and I think it will never ever get finished, so I think it's an investment of a lifetime. But such a pretty highlighter. Then I have two of my favorite bronzers, nothing crazy. This one is the Watch Shady Beaches by Wet n Wild, and this one is the classic Hoola bronzer, which I've hit pan on. This one is the mini one. Let's move on to the next drawer. Here I just have like a couple of things. First of all, I have my makeup brush set. Why is it not focusing? Okay, so here I have the brush set. Now this one was really expensive, but I also think that this is quite an investment because you get a lot of good quality brushes, especially if you're into makeup. I think you can invest into this sort of a brush set, and I really wanted to get a brush set since so long. Then I just have like two of my makeup setting sprays. I don't own a lot of setting sprays, but this one I have literally completely I'm done with, and this one is the MAC Prime Fix Plus in the shade Coconut. And this one, if you have to get like one MAC Prep this time, I would highly suggest you to get the Coconut variant because it just smells so good. Then I recently bought this Micro Finish Makeup Fixer by PAC. I think such a great buy. This is absolutely amazing. Then I also have this moisture lotion from PAC. This is basically like a primer before you apply your makeup. Then I have a couple of more primers right here. This one is the Nykaa Prep Prime Me Up. This one is the Lakme Absolute Blur Primer. This one is the Garnier Cream, which I actually like to use before I do my makeup because it just provides me with such a nice hydrated moisturized base. Okay, so this is the second last drawer. This is my perfume drawer, and I have all of my perfumes, not all but quite a few of my perfumes right here, which I don't really use on day-to-day basis. So this is not all of my perfumes in this drawer because I do have I do have like a lot of mists that are not here because I do use my mists on daily basis. But let's just quickly go through these. I'm not going to show all of these to you and talk about these because I do really have like a perfume haul on my channel. So I'll just talk to you about the new perfumes that I have right here. So this one is actually a new purchase. It's not actually a purchase. brushes. This one was gifted to me by a friend and another organizer right here, if you can see, but I'm not going to take it out because actually I can. Let me try. I have like a mist right here because this one is actually for winter season, so I'm not using it in summers. But these are all the Zara pocket perfumes that I have. So this drawer is basically my sunglasses drawer and all of these style glasses that I have. So I have like a lot of glasses from Urbanic, basically these type of glasses. You can check out my Urbanic haul. Then I do have like quite a few of other glasses. This one is the John Jacob clear transparent glasses. These don't have any number in them. This one is actually retro sort of a vibe one. I think I got this from Nika. Okay, so this is me and this is my shelf, and I do have a couple of makeup products in here as well. So I'll just quickly tell you guys because this has turned out to be a makeup collection, vanity tour collection video. So I have couple of my brushes right here. These are actually my old brushes that I've used all this while. ये मैं अभी तक use करते आई हूँ और वो जो brush set मैंने दिखाया वो अभी नया है. Here are all of my favorite nude lipstick, and these are basically from NYX, and I'm actually not going to show you guys all of these because I am planning to do my favorite nude lipsticks, so stay tuned for that as well. Yeah, couple of Maybellines, couple of NYX's, couple of Nika, and here also I have few of my favorite lipsticks and lip glosses and lip balms. So I just keep it here because I have to like use them every day. These are actually the two perfumes that I use for gym. This one smells really fresh, but this one is not that strong. This one however is really strong, and you just need like 2 sprays of this, and both of them are like really different from each other. This one is more floral, this one is more like lemony bergamoty sort of. And yeah, these are also a couple of my mists. This one is the one that I got latest. Like this one is the one that I bought recently. This one is the Cactus Blossom by Bath and Body Works, and all of those mists you've already seen in my previous video. So these two are the products that I wanted to show you guys. So these two are from the brand called Simrasa Luxuries, and this one is their hair gloss and this one is actually their hair perfume, and both of these products are so amazing. It contains argan oil, Moroccan oil, and I don't know what not. And that's it for my vanity tour collection. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. You know the drill, and I'll see you the next time.
My old lovers fall into my covers.